Here they come. There's hundreds. The one thing I have loved about Kentucky since I moved here, you give people sunshine and a place to go, and they flock to it. Welcome to BBQ Bands and Bikes. Bikers out today just chilling. Everybody has thundered in and it's about to get crazy. It's going to be fun. You're ready for this, aren't you?
Yeah, we've come down here a lot. This is a lot of motorcycles come rumbling in when they finally let them go. There's a lot out on the street right now that aren't a part of it, and I don't know where they're going to park everybody.
And ironically, we came up here without our bike. Figure that one out. Okay, is this a bike? It's got four wheels, so I'm kind of confused.
That's what they're taking out.
Turning into a very busy place. This is something that gets you really revved up, doesn't it?
You know, we've been here a lot. I don't know that I've seen this many bikes. I'll be interested to see how many ended up.
Oh man, it's at least 200, 200, 3, it's incredible.
Oh no, they're in the thousands.
Thousands?
Oh yeah.
Thousands.
I mean, it went for how long? It went for a half an hour just loading in.
You see why she does our finances and not me. Are you sorry we didn't bring the bike today?
I really am. But we need to get our bike tuned up a little bit.
We have to do a safety check. Unfortunately, they say our bike is too old. Really? I know people that work on 1960 Harleys. We've got a 2002, so it's not a Harley. Maybe that's a problem. I love to see the sea of humanity after the big C word came down and nobody could get out. This really makes us feel good.
Something to eat.
I don't know if we'll find anything. Oh wait, I think they have barbecue.
They definitely have barbecue.
I'll tell you what, some of the best barbecue you have ever eaten comes from Kentucky. I am serious. So we're gonna check out the food area. Cheese, fries, funnel cakes. Oh yeah, you're in my neighborhood. Here's one of my favorites in Kentucky, the pork chop. Oh. And they have to. I think we have decided on the pork chop and a brat. Yeah. We want to get a brat and pork chop sandwich.
Brat and pork chop sandwich. That will be 12. Yeah.
Oh, can we get a bottle of water too?
Just one?
Yeah.
Just one.
Making the pork chop sandwich and the brat. Oh, I can't wait. Can you hear the sound behind us? That is so cool. Love that roar. We decided I was going to get the pork chop, she would get the brat, and we would kind of switch off back and forth. You know, get a little taste treat for both. You guys can check out this while we chow down.
Yeah.
Now they have it every year, but this year it's huge. Of course, we really can't video anybody singing anything because of the copyright stuff, but you can get an idea of what's going on. Girl Crush going on right now, just in case you're wondering. Looks like today is probably going to be a little bit more of just looking at bikes as opposed to a whole lot of commentary. But oh, look at some of the bikes they've got out here. Look at that. That keep you awake at night. It's scary. You notice the bikes come right down the middle of the street. Oh, I love that helmet. Around the people. They actually have the right of way today. People have to get out of the way of the bikes. Of course, there's the merch. Maybe. And of course, when you talk about bikes, you got to think about wave runners, right?
I don't.
You know, this I like. Oh, intimidating. And it's got a little pickup bed too, all stuff around it. This is what I call the old school cool. Love that turquoise and white. White wall of tires through.
It's always a party on that one.
Whoa. Takes his own keg with him. More smiles to the mile. Maybe not, you don't drink and drive. Okay, here's a color scheme for you. Look at that, that is cool. Metal flake. That's pretty. Shine. Man. Just so you guys know, we're trying to find the really cool bikes for you. These to me are more like cars. I don't know why. I get it, but there's actually something in the keg.
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Not a keg.
He had lemonade. What were you thinking?
Yes, I don't know.
This is a nice little custom Saxton on the seat. Like this. Look at that flame paint job. That looks actually kind of real. Very awesome. This is so nice just to be out in the sunshine. Today we're like 70 degrees. And it's May. Here we go. Look at this. Look at that front tire. Love that rust effect. But it's not rusted. That is actual paint. This is cool. Can you say ape hangers? I bet you can. I can't ride like that. My arms get so tired. I have to put them down, then you're in trouble. Vanessa hates it when I let go of the handlebars. Okay, now we're talking old school. Look at this. Made for cruising. It's a rigid, of course. No, it's not a rigid either. It's soft. Wouldn't affect. Look at that paint. Of course, if you own a bike and you're a little tired of it, it's a perfect time to let people know you're tired of it. I don't know if it's inflation or what, but I'm not seeing a whole lot of customs, but I found some. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Look at this. Love the color scheme. Man, how can you not look cool going down the road in that? Or this. Either one. But I really like this. Look at this. Oh. We're at Fort Knox, so you gotta have your salute to the military. By the way, thank you if you're serving, if you have served. So much for your service. I found the other part of it. Not sure what's going on back here. It looks more like arts and crafts, maybe some food trucks like they were saying earlier. I don't know if you heard anyone tell us that, but that's what we were told, that they had expanded it. And they did. A lot more food trucks, a lot more chances to buy stuff. Elizabethtown, by the way, which is called E-Town, also has a traffic circle, and in the middle of the circle is the courthouse. That's where the ride ends. Looking for more customs. This is a nice paint job. simple but tasteful. Leather blending chrome, of course. This is so freaky walking around the traffic circle. You could never do this. This is one of the other stages that they've set up. Music all day long, 3 different stages. And all the motorcycles you could ever want to watch. I want to talk to some of the bikers, but then again, they're bikers and you don't know if you can talk to them. Just, you know, most of them are really nice. But. And by the way, if you come to Elizabethtown or E-Town, this is the place you come get your pizza. And Farizelli's. Simply marvelous pizza.
Bikers against child abuse. That's cool.
Yeah. All kinds of causes with the bikers too. Bikers against child abuse. You got the combat vets from Vietnam. Love it. Everybody has a reason for being on a bike. This thing looks like a Cadillac, doesn't it? Look how long this thing is. It's got to be 10 feet. What do you think, Vanessa?
It's a good 8.
Good 8. That thing is long. You could definitely cruise in comfort. Honda. West side of the courthouse. I don't ever want to be inside the courthouse, just, you know, saying. I think the biggest stars of the show today are eventually, I mean, they do sell beer here, so yeah. You know what just hit me? We come to BBQ Bands and Bikes and have a pork chop and brat.
We did. You know what? I'm not a big barbecue fan.
But I had barbecue sauce on the pork chop. I'm counting that. I'm wondering if this guy would mind if I just sat on his bike. That's the thing, isn't it? You can sit on someone's bike and you're okay with it? You know, I mean, you're just sitting on it, right? Gotta find out more about this. Yeah. Didn't see this one earlier. That's the trouble with the shows. They kind of come and go. Look at that quilted seat. Can you say Harley? Man. And I want a helmet just like that one. Is it me, or does that one look like it's from Cars? Okay, I like yellow. What can I say?
Hey, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. That's how we grow.
Yeah. And remember, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp.